What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. So today we're going to be doing another tutorial on for loops. Yeah, we're going to be learning some for loops today. So let's see. Let's start. I already have my editor ready just to start. So this one right here is just a box. So here I have already two divs. There is one div for the container, the loops, and there is inside the loops there is another I div by loops center. That's where the text is going to go, and the loop is just for the box. So it should be good. So let's start a for loops. So let's start for loops. Let's do bar I equals to 0. Usually what happens when you do for loops, there is a starting point. We're going to start at number 0, and it's going to run how many times we want to run this. 5 times. It's going to add one number at a time. So if you do an alert with I, it will just kind of give you the numbers. It will give you from, so we'll start at 0. It's going to run 5 times, but it says less than 5, so it's going to go from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I want to run 5, I gotta do it equal right there, but let's just do like it is right here. Let's save that. This is just an alert. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Yeah, okay, cool. Should be working fine. So let's do this. Let's run this code right here in the box. So let's do a bar. Let's declare a bar by the name text. Let's define it, give it a value, an empty value. So what is going to do this? This is going to call the for loops, right? And at the same time, we'll update it right here in the loop center. So let's do that. Text equals I plus BR. Get element by ID. So let's use the ID loops center. It's going to be an inner HTML. I want to call it. So it's going to be text. So it should give me the numbers right there. Yeah, cool. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But at the same time, if this is vertical, let's do it horizontal. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, nice. So we get that. Now, how do we, I wanna change these values right here. Wanna get these numbers right here. How do we get these numbers? Let's write down H1 right here. Get these numbers. So I want to get 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Through the loops, how do we get these numbers right here? Get these numbers 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. As you can tell, so it will start the number 2 right here, is going to run 14 times, but we're going to be adding 3 because 3 plus 2 is going to be 5, 5 plus 3 is going to be 8, 8 plus 3 is going to be 11, 11 plus 3 is going to be 14. So let's run that through the loop right here. So we gotta change these values right here. So would it be, so it's going to run in 2. So we want 14, right? So let's just do equals is less or equals to 14. And we're going to run it how many times? Let's do plus equals 3. So this should give me these numbers right here. So this should be the same. We don't have to change anything here. Yeah. Let's save that. And 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 right here. Cool. Now, how do we get these numbers, right? Let's change this. -6, -3, 0, and 3. How do we get these numbers through the loops right here, for loops? So we just do the same thing, you know. It's going to start at -6. So it's going to run how many times? It's going to run 3 times. Same. And this is going to be just the same. So it should give us the same numbers right here. Okay, cool. 6, 3, 0, 3. -6, -3, 0, 3. Nice. So it started at -6. It ran like it is 3 times. Equals to 3. I got it 3. You know, you can just change these values as many times as you want. Like you can just play with this and get different values and stuff. Now, let's do the following. Let's use an array over here so we can get some values. Okay. Let's do an array bar. What do we say? Let's do tweets equals brackets, square brackets. So let's do I need. Let's do I am hungry. We're tweeting this supposedly. I am hungry. Let's do another tweet. I need exercise. Exercise, I think it's like that. Let's do one more. I am sick. Right? So we got 3 tweets right here. Cool. Man, I don't know why. Let's just get rid of that. So we got 3 tweets. So if I do an alert, if I do tweets, it should give me all the values right there. I am hungry, I need exercise, I am sick. Cool. Okay, let's get rid of this right here. Kind of distracting. Okay. Let's do a for loop. Let's run through the for loop right here. Bar I equals to 0. I let's just do, we're going to do tweets. That length, let's use length. That length. Man, where's, okay. I plus plus. Okay. So right here, we're going to do the same thing what we did before. So we can run this again. So bar, let's do the text. Okay. Let's do text equals to, so in this case, we're going to get tweets. I and let's call it, let's update it. So the tweets, the text is calling tweets right here. And now let's update it on the div and loop center with document that get element by ID. Loops center inner HTML. Let's call text. Should give us all those values right there, all those tweets. Okay, I'm hungry, I need exercise, I am sick. So the one thing is, if you use length, you can add as many tweets as you want. You know, for example, you can add more. Like, let's add two more. What should we put? This is a pic of my prefix. Let's do another one. I have a dog. So with this, you can add as many as you want. You will just keep adding there. See? Cool. Nice. So that sounds like a pretty good one. So this is how you use for loops. So hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully help somebody there. But anyway, so just like the video, subscribe. So I'll be doing more of this JavaScript tutorials. So